Are you struggling with a garage door that won't open or close? This common issue could stem from a variety of problems, such as a malfunctioning opener, remote control issues, blocked sensors, or even a simple power outage. These problems can be more than just an inconvenience. They can seriously affect the security of your home. If you're in the Calderwood area and facing these frustrating issues, help is just a phone call away. Contact our team of qualified professionals at 0409-774-111. We specialize in quickly diagnosing and fixing all types of garage door problems, ensuring your door is back in perfect working condition. Don't let a stubborn garage door disrupt your day. Call us now.